Hello everyone, welcome to the Gourmet Code. Today we're going to show you how to make delicious homemade pizza from scratch. It's an easy recipe that you can customize to your liking. Let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need. 1 pound pizza dough, 1/2 cup tomato sauce, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, toppings of your choice, pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, olives. Now that we have the ingredients, let's start making the pizza. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Dust a clean surface with flour and roll out the pizza dough with a rolling pin until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Transfer the dough onto a pizza pan or baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Spread the tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving about 1/2 inch of space around the edges. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce. Add your favorite toppings on the cheese. Place the pizza in the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and the crust is golden brown. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Cut the pizza into slices and serve hot. And that's it, you now learned how to make a homemade pizza from scratch. It's a fun and easy recipe that you can make and enjoy with your family or friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.